Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Irobot i8 Vacuum Bags is probably one of the most essential accessories for keeping your Irobot Roomba i8 running at peak performance, ensuring that your home remains free of dust, debris, and allergens with every cleaning cycle. These high-quality replacement bags are designed to perfectly fit your Irobot Roomba i8, offering a convenient and effective way to manage the dirt and grime your vacuum collects, making the disposal process simple and hygienic. Investing in the right vacuum bags means less hassle and more clean floors, so let's dive into what makes these bags a must-have for any Roomba i8 owner looking to maintain optimal cleaning power and a healthier living environment. Number 5. Irobot Roomba Dirt Disposal Bags. Tired of emptying your robot's bin? These disposal bags hold dirt and dust, so you can forget about vacuuming for weeks. These bags are compatible with a wide range of Roomba Clean base models, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless operation. It's crucial to use genuine iRobot parts. They are manufactured to exact specifications for optimal performance and longevity. Using authentic accessories ensures your robot continues to operate at its design performance standards. Don't compromise on quality. Each pack contains 3 dirt disposal bags, providing a convenient and long-lasting supply for your robot. What we like? These are the authentic replacement bags designed specifically for your iRobot Roomba Clean base models. They hold dirt and dust for weeks, minimizing your interaction with debris. If you prioritize maintaining your robot's optimal performance and ensuring a perfect fit, choosing genuine parts is the way to go. What people say? These fit perfectly and sync seamlessly with the app, which isn't always the case with off-brand versions. The bags are of good quality and do not leak. They fit perfectly, seal well, and do a great job containing dust and debris. Number 4. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL RV1001 AE. Tired of constantly emptying your robot vacuum? This model features a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris, so you can relax. Experience deep cleaning power that tackles everything from large debris to pet hair. It effectively cleans both carpets and hard floors. The innovative brush roll digs deep into carpets and hardwood, pulling up dirt and hair. It's engineered to pick up more hair and is designed to prevent tangles. Easily schedule cleanings or target specific rooms using the Shark Clean app or voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. You're in complete control. It intelligently maps your home, allowing you to choose exactly which rooms need cleaning. Get a customized clean every time. It cleans your home methodically, row by row, and then moves from room to room. This ensures complete coverage for a spotless home. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. Once powered up, it resumes cleaning right where it left off. What we like? This robot vacuum offers a bagless self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt, eliminating the need for frequent bag purchases. Its self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to pick up more hair and resist tangles. If you're looking for a truly hands-off cleaning experience with minimal maintenance and excellent pet hair management, this is a strong contender. What people say? Bruce's base is perfect. We take up with a button, and open it with a button, and never have to touch the refuse. No bag to buy, just push a button, the bottom opens and all that stuff drops out. Mapping works now, had to delete the map once, run it 3 times, and bang. House mapped. Room-specific vacuuming unlocked. Suggestions to others having issues. Delete the map and I think this part is important, run the vac with every light you can on. The robot sees and makes its map on your ceiling, the more light, the better it sees. I have 3 dogs, 2 of which shed a lot of hair, and were our primary reason for the purchase. I am very satisfied with the amount of hair that is collected. Number 3. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. It's designed to make your life easier by cleaning your home automatically. Enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Tired of emptying your vacuum? This model features automatic dirt disposal, meaning it empties itself after cleaning. You can relax while it handles the mess. It learns your home's layout, allowing you to control exactly where and when it cleans. You can even set keep-out zones to protect certain areas. Control your cleaning with just your voice. It works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. Dealing with pet hair is no longer a chore. This robot vacuum is ideal for picking up pet hair from carpets and hard floors. This vacuum is built to last and get smarter over time. It receives updates that unlock new features, ensuring you always have the latest advancements. What we like. This model features advanced smart mapping, allowing you to control exactly where and when it cleans, even avoiding specific zones. It also empties itself automatically into its base, and offers convenient voice control. If you desire precise cleaning control, a self-emptying function, and seamless integration with your smart home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The iRobot designers really took all this cleaning into consideration when designing the product. Once I had my house mapped, I was able to 1. Name rooms, 2. Adjust walls between open rooms, 3. Create cleaning areas consisting of 1 or more rooms. Really a nice feature worth the upgrade from i3 to i7. The robot vacuum utilizes Imprint smart mapping technology, which allows it to navigate and clean every nook and cranny of my home. With its advanced sensors, it effortlessly avoids obstacles and adjusts to different floor surfaces. Number 2. Improvedhand filters for Irobot Roomba E, I and J series. These high-efficiency filters are designed to perfectly fit your Irobot Roomba vacuum cleaners from the E, I, and J series. Ensure your device runs smoothly with a precise fit for models like i1, i3, i4, i5, i6, i7, i8, E5, E6, E7, and J7. Experience superior cleaning with filters that capture 99.9% of fine dust, dirt, and hair as small as 0.1 microns. For optimal performance, clean them regularly and replace them every 2 months to keep your home healthier. Replacing your filters is a breeze with our simple, tool-free installation process. Just remove the old filter and pop in the new one in minutes, saving you time and energy. This cost-effective package includes 6 high-efficiency replacement filters and a bonus cleaning brush. You'll always have a fresh filter ready, ensuring your vacuum is always ready to go. Our vacuum filter replacements are made from high-strength, eco-friendly materials to ensure top performance and a healthier living environment. We are committed to quality and are here to help with any concerns. What we like. This pack provides 6 high-efficiency replacement filters designed to capture fine dust and debris, helping to maintain your Roomba's performance. They are easy to install and offer a cost-effective solution for keeping your vacuum running smoothly. If you're looking for an affordable way to ensure your I, E, or J series Roomba consistently performs at its best, this multi-pack is a practical option. What people say. These fit perfectly in my E6 Roomba. Seem to be same as OEM quality and don't lessen the vacuum ability at all. These replacement filters fit my Roomba i7 Plus perfectly and were super easy to swap out. They look and feel just like the originals, which cost a lot more. The little cleaning brush that comes with them is a nice bonus too. Number 1. VBN 20-pack replacement Roomba vacuum bags. Introducing the VBN 20-pack replacement bags, designed for your Roomba. Keep your home clean with ease. These bags are compatible with a wide range of Roomba I, S, and J series models, including all clean-base automatic dirt disposal units. Enjoy a perfect fit for uninterrupted cleaning. Our advanced melt-blown fiber filter layer effectively captures 99.9% of dust and fine particles. Breathe easier knowing your home is cleaner. Designed for hassle-free handling, these airtight bags prevent dust from escaping during disposal. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and secondary dust exposure. Each bag holds up to 30 boxes of dust and debris, significantly reducing the need for frequent changes. They are also a great choice for homes with pets. This package includes 20 replacement bags, plus a screwdriver and cleaning brush for your convenience. Everything you need for a spotless home. What we like. This offer includes a generous 20-pack of replacement vacuum bags, designed for efficient dust blocking and an airtight seal to prevent dust clouds. Each bag holds a significant amount of debris, reducing replacement frequency. If you have a busy household, pets, and want a convenient, high-value supply of bags to keep your clean base functioning optimally, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. The Irobot i8 vacuum bags are designed to hold a significant amount of debris, reducing the frequency of emptying. These bags are engineered for a secure fit within the Irobot i8 base station, preventing dust leakage. The self-emptying feature, enabled by these bags, allows the robot to clean for extended periods without user intervention. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.